Which types of apps can I install from unknown sources on my Samsung Smart TV 2021?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to discuss a topic that's been on the minds of many Samsung Smart TV users: installing apps from unknown sources. Let's delve into what kinds of apps you can install and how you can do it.
What are unknown sources?
In the context of installing apps, unknown sources refer to any source other than the official Samsung Smart TV App Store. These sources might include third-party app stores or direct downloads from websites. Note, it's important to be aware that downloading apps from unknown sources can pose security risks, including malware and other harmful content. Always ensure that the source you're downloading from is reliable and trustworthy.
What types of apps can I install from unknown sources?
Most Samsung Smart TVs run on the Tizen operating system. Therefore, you can theoretically install any app that is compatible with the Tizen OS. This might include apps for video streaming, social media, games, and more. However, compatibility and performance can vary, and not all apps will function as intended. Common types of apps installed from unknown sources are streaming apps. Many users install additional streaming apps that aren't available on the Samsung App Store. These might include apps for region-specific content or niche genres. Productivity apps. These include calendar apps, to-do list apps, or note-taking apps, which might be handy if you use your TV as a workstation. Games. While the Samsung App Store does offer games, you might find different or additional games from unknown sources.
How can I install apps from unknown sources?
Installation of apps from unknown sources isn't as straightforward as from the official store, and may not be officially supported by Samsung. It usually involves sideloading the app onto your TV, which requires some technical know-how. Due to the complexity and potential risks involved, this process won't be detailed in this video. In summary, you can install a variety of apps from unknown sources on your Samsung Smart TV, provided they're compatible with the Tizen OS. However, proceed with caution as this may entail risks and may not be officially supported. Always make sure to use reliable sources to protect your device and personal information. I hope you found this video helpful, and happy viewing.